Yo, good morning. Hola a todos.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah. Right, let's see then how things are gonna go today. Hopefully, things go well. Hopefully. Right, so I'm gonna lock the tablet down for now. Go M21 here, possibly even M1. Let's just go here. Price took out a bunch of these highs, then dropped down. That's in the M5. Price before that. We could continue bearish on this actually. There's a possibility we could continue to go bearish. Looks like sellers were in the market. So looks like sells are still valid. I'm still gonna mark out the other side of it. So this invalid zone here. Still gonna mark them out just to be safe. Now obviously we had a big bearish reaction from the DXY. We tagged straight into this key level, pretty much instantly bounced off of there on the weekly, kind of creating a wick on the downside, which I find it interesting. That wick on the downside is very interesting for me. Anyway, let's go for USD JPY. Oh god, that flew up. Oh wow, damn it. Okay, so possibly USD JPY shorts from around here, maybe. Yeah, seems viable, I suppose. Okay, so let's just bring that over to Thursday. Actually, you know what, I'm just gonna bring it from Asia low, and then that can probably go over to about 4 o'clock, and then here is 478. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to M5. M2. A very similar price action here, so a lot of bullishness right here. Channels that is anyway. The price could continue to move up from, if it was for example to do a pullback. Obviously we got Asia high here, bounce, so it could take this channel, tag this, and then fly up from there with the Asia high bounce. So like this. So there you go, Asia high bounce. Pew. So I think that's possible also. But we do have a little channel going on here that we didn't see get taken out yet. So I'm interested in that. If we do see possibilities for a short, just I can flip over to that quickly. That's interesting too. So build up, sweep, push up, build up. I like to see a sweep and then a push up, or we might even get price taking this high, the expansion out of the channel, then a reversal back down. We'll have to see in it. USD, what USD JPY does. I do like the look of it. Let's get rid of it. So we come up, took these highs, made a lower low, made a potential lower high. Just seen break structure here on the downside of it basically. Odds are this could be an invalid zone. If price wants to continue pushing down on GBPCHF, we'll have to see what price does. So lower high. Let's go M15. Even 1 hour. So we're making lower high, low low, lower high, low low, higher high, internal higher low, internal higher high, internal higher low. Could this be the push up? God damn it, that happened quick, didn't it? Could this be the push up? I don't think I'll have time to check right now. So I think, what to say in it? Also, if you look at this, got this gigantic channel there as well. That's interesting on GBPCHF. If you see this fail, it might be a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low situation on GBPCHF. But let's have a look at USDJPY now quickly before I end up missing something. But before I do that, I think price is falling because they're pricing in rate cuts. They want to do rate cuts. Inflation's coming down. That's good for them to a cut. If inflation starts to decrease, naturally that's going to make them happy. When's the Bank of England's rate decision? Tomorrow. This just makes it easier. This just makes it easier for them to cut. You can see inflation's on the way down now. Employment and growth is sticky, but inflation's on the way down. Makes it slightly easier to cut rates. Doesn't look like a bad thing at all, actually. Right, here is the GBPJPY. Let's see what this does then. Because if I do get the opportunity to short it, I don't mind doing that. And the spreads are way better than GBPJPY. Like, way better. Odds are price is going to go lower. Price is looking like it wants to do that, like go lower anyway. Well, what's gold saying? Asia midline. We didn't take out that high, but we took out these 1, 2, 3 highs. Then we dropped down pretty well. Then we've taken these lows here. Sat right around Asia midline, leaving Asia high available. We know they're going to cut rates, the dollar's going to weaken and stuff like that, so longs do look to play. I wouldn't mind swinging from this position on my personal account. Let's go on M2 to catch a bit of structure. So high low, higher high, higher low, lower high, low, 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 low. Lower low. I'm not sure where the hell the zone's gonna be. Okay, so it's break structure now. That's good. Oh. Perfect. Let's see what happens now. If it tags that supply zone, break structure again, then I might be willing to, unless it just flies down from here. If it flies down and then creates a lower high, drops down again, I'll have to try and see if I can hop into that then, but yeah. That would leave us with a Asia high bounce with potentially the rest of the day to go higher again. If we see the yen still weakening and the dollar still pushing after it bounced off of that low zone anyway, on the DXY. I'm curious to see where it goes. For me to short from here would be way too aggressive, so I have to wait, innit? Just have to wait. Seek confirmation. Yeah. Came into that zone, and now what's it gonna do? Because it has just tagged a demand zone. That's what I needed to break next, and then for me to say, right, I'm going short on that now. I've set the alert on there. I'm going to set an alert on the high of here so I know if it's still going bullish or not. I should have gone higher. Yeah. get off there, go back to CHF. So price just tagged into that zone there. You're taking this high, tagging into that zone. That's interesting. Is it going to come take this zone out now? If it does, leaving the supply zone, I'm happy to look at that potentially. I don't know if anyone's going to come to the stream today, because I don't know if the guys are trading or not, or if they're just going to chill out and take it easy.
Traders add to Bank of England rate bets and see 69 basis points of cuts by the end of 2026.
Yeah. Oh, why not just say this month? Oh, 2026 he said. Oh, damn. Yeah, I thought he said 2025 for a second. I was having a brain fart. I'm talking to myself. Oopsie. Hey, man, like Eduardo. What's going on, Eduardo and Tinas Teros? Okay. How you doing, Ed? I've been getting destroyed by M1. It's been absolutely horrendous, bro, the last few weeks. It's not been M1ing the way it's supposed to be M1ing. Lord, right here on a break from market and stuff. How you been? I'm good, man. I'm alright. I've not really been trading. Last week I took like a week off because my sleeping pattern got messed up because I got ill.
UK interest rate futures
because it's cold in the UK.
Basis points of cuts by the Bank of England by the end of 2026 after UK CPI versus 58 basis points before the data.
Right, okay, so they're factoring in another basis point cut basically because of the extra CPI data giving them confidence of a short. That makes sense. Sorry, but I was just paying attention to the pound in it because I tend to trade pound quite heavily. So what was I saying? Yeah, so last week I didn't really trade because like I was ill and stuff, so I just couldn't wake up, and you know, I felt weak, and like with my trading plan it says I'm not allowed to trade if I'm feeling sick, I'm not allowed to trade if I haven't had good sleep, etc, etc. Yeah, I'm all right now. It's, you know, it's cold in the UK, so obviously you get ill easy around winter time, you know. That's what it was. So yeah, that was it. I'm just trying to lock in another payout for the end of the year, man, but it's kind of hard. I bet it's cold here, but I don't know. Hold it there. Where are you again? I forgot where you are. Obviously, UK is Europe, innit? So Europe's just horrendous for weather anyway, in general. God damn. Okay, UJ's crossed something. What did it cross? Okay, it's dropping. UJ's dropping. Ah, yeah, okay. 1 second. There might be a trading coming in a matter of moments. I'm in the USA at the moment. Okay. That's cool. 1 second. Let me just focus on the charts. Maybe it's a trade. Beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I like the look of that. Now the only issue becomes, am I gonna get swerved or not? Because my entry is gonna be so tight. It's unreal. Oh god, yeah, that is horrendously tight. 65. I am not having a 1.5 pip SL. I'm gonna have 3 pip on here, and then I'm gonna do entry price. Yeah, there. I think of trying to prop firm do it, but you need to be careful because I'm getting annoyed with the prop firms and the rule changes and the inconsistency and stuff like that. It's becoming rather tedious and annoying, man. Every time you start to do well, they put new rules on there to make it difficult for you and stuff like that. It's becoming so annoying, bro, like so annoying. One of my accounts, I was up 4% and I was trying to get a payout, and I'm still trying to get a payout on it, and it's been like 2-3 months because I have stupid rules and they keep making it difficult, and the conditions on M1 are horrendous these days. Now if price falls without me, then it is what it is. Yeah, we'll speak about prop firms another time. I'll tell you about the pros and cons and which ones are good, which ones aren't, because I'm with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different firms. Yeah, that's why I ain't, because the rules, yeah, they're getting worse and worse as well, mate. They're getting worse. I'll start to making a personal account because I'm starting to get fed up of all these stupid rules with firms. But I'll leave you to it anyway. You have a good night's sleep, because obviously you said you wanted to go sleep and stuff as well. So yeah, have a good one. Thanks for coming. Do me a favor, hit like as well. Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Amal, brother, Amal, brother. Where is welcome? Aha.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome to bloody Oakmont, brother. Oh dear. Yes, sir, have a great one. Peace out, bro. Good night. Good night. Good seeing you as well. Amal, bye.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome, brother. So basically, I did UJ to the list, yeah. I did want to go short here, but obviously I'm waiting for confirmation because the break structure there. I just need to be so careful that if it does drop all the way down, that it might end up giving a signal. Damn it! It might end up giving a signal to go long, whilst I'm looking for a short. I need to be very careful because then it'll be leaving Frankfurt high open on UJ, so I'm just a bit careful on that. Also, the spreads are amazing on USD JPY. They're so tight. Okay, prices coming up now. I need to add USD JPY to my tablet. Damn it. I didn't add it. Okay, let's just flick it around and go to quotes, charts, add USD JPY. And then we can edit that to bring it above there. Sit it there. But the spreads are amazing on UJ, man. Wow. Why do I not trade this more? Oh yeah, I remember. Too many pairs. What's too many pairs? So let me look at what to do then. So pound's going down, euro is still going down. If I was going to short, I'd short pound. So I think I'd have GU on this one side. GU on here. And then on here I'll have UJ. No, UJ. There. Perfect. Damn it, price come back. Question is, what's price gonna do now? Okay, that zone failed. That's interesting. Yeah. It didn't even give an entry for a long anyway. It just gave one for a short to entry model. Following price action, bullish. It gave a higher low, higher high. Oh no, wait, that's wrong. This was the higher low. When, where? Yeah, I made a mistake there. So higher, low, higher, high. That's not even, it's the same candle. So high, low, higher, high, higher, low. Equal high, lower, low. Oh, that wasn't the way to go. Yeah, that was me making a mistake there. Bloody hell, man. I can't be making mistakes on M1. It's diabolical. M1 will kill you. M1 will kill you. So that was a build-up continuation and then a move higher. I got distracted by, no problem, it happens. Just try to stay focused. Oh, beautiful, the invalid zone failed. But yeah, it doesn't matter, bro. Things happen in it like that. So anyway, here's the zone there. Could have shorted from there. Okay, but that would have been difficult because it broke structure right there and comes straight back in. And then if you had 3.5, would have been tight. If you didn't 4, you would have been lucky. If you didn't, ooh, bro, price action's been dirty, man. Cuss me, like really dirty. You know, normally I call price action really good, but it's been hard. Like recently, buy, same thing in it. Normally, like I get it right like 70-80% of the time, but the issue is not getting an entry, but I call the direction of price really well. These days, bro, brother, I don't understand anymore what's happening in the market. You know, brother, bloody confusing. So no supply there, break structure there, supply failed, break structure there, missed that one there, break structure here. Actually tagged it within 1-2 minutes. There's no entry, man. There's no entry anywhere. You just still going up. I can work with that. I can still work with it. I just need a bit more patience, that's all. Okay, London open in 8 minutes. So let's see what happens at 7 minutes. Amal, I don't know if you're here or if you died. What's gold doing? Okay, it kept going down. I didn't really give a clean entry either. I think DXY is going to keep pushing down. I'm just hoping it's a reaction out of this low zone. Just come up to here for a couple days and then continue to drop down from there. I think Francis and those guys are chilling out today. Okay, we're pushing up higher. This could easily be taken two ways. Or how to differentiate. Let's look at Asia. What's Asia done? Oh, Asia fell too much. London open around the corner. Oh yeah, I see. Shorts are the way to go. Price is still looking like it still wants to give shorts as well. So let's see, because London open now on the minute. Let's see what UJ is doing. Okay.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
This just looks to me like price wants to keep going. You've come open on the pretty much 2 minutes before, took out this high. If that's going to keep going down, if you keep getting a push on there, very possible. UJ, I'm still not really sure what's going on with UJ. GBPCHF came up on the minute, tagged that zone, dropped down. I thought it's going to push higher, take out this level, tag that zone, or take out that zone and drop down from there, but no, it's not. Just keep watching. I wanted to respect this zone and drop. Let me just draw the zone out here so I don't bloody miss anything. Need to respect this zone. To come down. And now with this, if I want to continue the shorts, I needed to pull back into supply zone after breaking structure, which is just done. We have just taken that zone by 0.4 pips, which is kind of annoying. I wanted something clean. Damn it, it's gonna keep going, isn't it? I don't think I'm gonna catch another trade, man. Damn it. Now let's just get rid of all of this and all of this. Best ChatGPT. Need to use its translations capabilities. I think I'm all alone. It's fine. Close ChatGPT because computers having an absolute meltdown. That yo Mwangi, welcome. I think I'm all alone. I think it's just me and you, Mwangi, bro. I don't know what's going on with anyone else. How you doing anyway, Mwangi? Brother Mwangi, karibu undugu. Let me bust out the soundboard in this bish mish mish.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome to We Make Money and maybe we lose money also. Lol. Okay, so I've hated this price action a lot, man. It's been so crappy on M1. Like, I've been getting it wrong a lot compared to usual, which wasn't so much, but this is a lot. Good, and you? I am okay, my brother. 50-50, brother. 50-50. I just want to get one more payout so I can buy this computer and the last few parts and finish it off, but it looks like we may have to wait till New Year, man, because this is the last week of good price action, and then we're going to be shut down for about a month in terms of price action anyway. So yeah, I think the other guys probably aren't trading. They already probably called it a day, I'm guessing or assuming, which is fine. I think after this week, yeah, makes sense. I got 10 hours on the 50k account to make 0.5% so I can get my payout. I don't know if I'm gonna catch a trade, man. We'll obviously do the usual by having a look and seeing if we can, but if we can't, then it is what it is. Yeah, I can't see anything. Also, I added USD JPY to my list because apparently it's a really good pair to trade. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna add it. But couldn't seem to find an entry anywhere on it. Are you looking at anything trade-wise, or are you in anything? I don't know if you're still in GJ. I know you were in GJ when you, I think, a while ago. I can get a 2 terabyte SSD for 180, but I can get it on a payment plan, which is good. And it's Samsung as well. 2 terabyte should be enough, man. I don't plan on doing heavy gaming. I'm tempted by that. Nothing for now. Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. Is there anything you're looking at though? I want to go short on GU if London Open respects that London Open M1 supply zone. If it does respect it and break structure, I'd like to try and hop back into a continuation for that. Because we've been falling quite drastically on pound USD. You had CPI come out for pound as well. It come out softer than expected, which is good because the Bank of England, Governor Bailey wants to cut rates, but they're struggling with high inflation, low employment, very poor growth, and the inflation come out lower than expected, which kind of softens the idea and makes it slightly more digestible, but then to actually cut rates. So hopefully buy gold to 30. I do want to buy gold, but I can't find out a clean entry. Oh, wait a second. Damn it. Why didn't I mark that zone out? And you got a nice channel here as well. Look at that. Same as GU, yeah. Damn it! I would have liked to go long, but touch that zone there, which is technically a supply zone, so I can't take that. But I do want to go long on gold, and probably swing it on the person. Do you know the good thing about the personal account is you can swing trade it, bro, as you wish. Trade it as you wish.
Japan's Prime Minister Takaichi says extra budget is a step towards strong economy and diplomacy.
How do you add? has taken that zone out, dropped there, catching off of there. Euro took that zone out also, didn't really give a clean
And Takashi says we aim to get cabinet approval for next
zone
fiscal
for
year's
entry
budget on December
anywhere.
26th.
If I can't get a trade this week, I'm just gonna leave till next month and just do like 0.01 lot on all the accounts just to keep it going.
Takashi says we're planning to put together a tax reform plan Friday. And Takaichi says, what Japan needs is not fiscal austerity, but proactive spending to boost competitiveness. And Takaichi says measures are to alleviate household costs by 80,000 yen.
Right, I was on my phone, so I wasn't paying attention what's going on. Nothing's happening on gbpchf. Lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low. Break the high there. Oh no, it did tag that low, damn it. You need to stop looking at my phone, man. Was it valid though? It was valid, but it doesn't matter because it would have only gave 2. Oh, but I suppose it would have been enough, wouldn't it? On the 50k account, but yeah. To be honest, if it was 2.3, I would have probably done 3 pips, so it would have been 1.5R. So yeah. That's not really worked out there. What about UJ? Let's go up to GJ. In 1 minute, pretty much come back up after breaking structure. That'd be hard for me to tag an entry in there so quickly.
Takashi says we're to keep lowering debt to GDP ratio to maintain trust.
Okay, that's interesting. So Euro did end up tagging into that invalid zone. That's interesting. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Higher high, higher low. Breaks through to that, made a high. If you took it from there, you would have took an L. If you took it from here, you would have been okay. But how do you know which zones are gonna hold? Because you got 1, 2 there. Ended up holding on the deeper one, then flew off from there.
Takaichi says China is an important neighbor and we will keep communicating.
I don't like this choppy price action, Wangy. Bloody hell, what is this bollocks, man? I suppose it's expected, innit? Crazy one, bro, I'm telling you, man. I'd rather just go back to sleep, but I can't. I can't, because if I did, it would mess up my sleeping pattern. You know what it is? I just want to basically get the computer built, yeah, over Christmas, and then like start doing a bit of gaming over Christmas, like gaming live streams or something like that, because I've never done it before, just to keep me entertained. Because bro, what am I gonna do for 1 month of not trading and still keep my routine, my sleeping pattern and stuff like that? It's gonna be hard, bro. I'm gonna end up going sleep late, waking up early, messing up my sleeping pattern, and then when time does come back to trade again, I'm gonna have to fix my sleeping pattern again. So I need something to, you know, keep me in a routine for like a good month, innit? Like a good 4 weeks, 5 weeks, because we're gonna have, obviously next week's gonna be dead, week after that's gonna be dead, you got New Year's week dead, second week of January dead, third week of January price might start picking up, but the fourth week of January, so like the week starting the 19th of January, so basically 1 month, that week price action might start to get better again. So I need to somehow entertain myself.
Takashi says there's no time to consider whether to dissolve parliament.
Nah, I can't be honest with that, bro. Because when I backtest, I do it properly, bro. I do like 300-400 backtests, yeah? So I can get solid data, and it takes ages and it's mind-numbing. And because I already have a strategy that I know works, I fully know it works, I fully trust it works, yeah? Like, it's like mental torture, innit? You know, when you're looking for a strategy, it's different. Because when you're brand new to trading and you're looking for it, what motivates you is the fact that you're trying to learn and stuff like that, right? So you're like, oh, I'm gonna backtest because I need to develop a strategy, because I want to learn how to trade, blah blah blah. So that's what motivates you. But once you've got your strategy and stuff like that, bro, what is gonna force you to do 200-300 backtests, man? You got the data, you know what I mean? It's hard, right? I suppose I could do a backtesting live stream or two over winter. Over Christmas, do like a couple of backtesting live streams and stuff like that, and show how you're supposed to do backtesting properly.
And Takaichi says, I'm hoping to meet with Trump as soon as possible. What's your plans anyway, Mwangi, over Christmas? Are you guys celebrating it or not? Gotta do something. Yeah, of course. Okay, peace out, Mangi. No problem. I'll leave you to it. I'm gonna sit here alone for a while, contemplate my life on the charts. But yeah, peace out, man. Merry Christmas. Have a good one. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get some better price action in New York today, or tomorrow London, hopefully. But thanks for coming anyway. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, peace out, bro. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, peace out. I'm still gonna keep looking for a move. Just need to kind of figure out what the hell price is trying to do. Let's go M5 and just have a look at everything. I can't see anything on there. Okay, this looks like it's going long. This looks like it's still continuing to go down. Like, yeah, still does that. Yeah, very much so.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German IFOs. Expectations forecast 90 spot 5, prior 90 spot 6. Current conditions forecast 85 spot 8, prior 85 spot 6. Business climate forecast 88 spot 2, prior 88 spot 1. At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German IFOs. Expectations forecast 90 spot 5 on the prior 90 spot 6. Current conditions forecast 85 spot 8, prior 85 spot 6. Business climate forecast 88 spot 2, prior 88 spot 1.
Goddamn GJ, what the hell are you doing, man?
One minute remaining. I'll leave with German IFO expectations. The US readies new Russia sanctions if Putin rejects the peace deal. Seeing some upside in WTI oil after that. Still waiting for the German IFOs. Business climate 87.6, 87.6 lower than forecast, 88.2. Current conditions 85.6, 85.6 lower than forecast, 85.8.
God damn, it's already 9 o'clock.
Awaiting expectations 89.7, 89.7 lower than forecast, 90.5.
The Eurozone CPI at 10. Okay, we can see what we can do if there's anything there.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase.
Oh, if I get that sent rapid, man, if I get that parcel soon, I can start building up the motherboard and stuff like that, get everything sat in there, and then I'll sort SSD. I'll have to get 2 terabyte in it. Where's Francis when you need him? US gets new sanctions on Putin if he rejects. Oh, shut up, USA, man. Honestly, sit down, behave yourself. Salam, bro. Shalom, shalom, lahaim. How you doing? Uh, 50-50, bro. How about you? We had Bondi shooting here. One of my mates was shot, so being a mess. Yeah, I'm not gonna comment on that. I've got really strong feelings about all of this, to be fair. Really strong feelings. Oh, I'm not gonna comment. Anyway, how's your trading going? That's good, man. You're doing good if you got 3 so far. That's brilliant. Oh, you're doing really good, man. Mashallah. That's good for you. Keep going, keep doing well, and hopefully all works out in the long run. Yeah, I'm visiting my family, so I'm taking a break from trading till January. IA? What do you mean? Yeah, price action's crappy today. I've had a UJ on my list as well, but it's not been. I wanted longs, and it kind of didn't really give an entry here, and then here I kind of thought, could we go short? I'm not sure. M1's been a bit tricky today, just a wee bit tricky today. I suppose I could leave it on the chart anyway. So yeah, tricky price action, mate. Tricky price action. I'm gonna have to look at New York, see if I can catch anything there. I just want to get one more payout this year, so it's 4. Obviously the Quantacle account still up. Can't get a fucking payout from them, man. I can't seem to find 2 quality setups within a 14-day cycle on M1, and I only trade the A+, like the best ones. I don't like trading all the other alternatives and stuff like that, because then you have to change risk, and then you get like 3-4 trades in a day. You might get a bad day where all of them are L's and stuff like that. I just don't want to deal with any of it. I just want to stick to the best setups, and it's not really seeming to work out that well. Yeah, price action is bad this month. So bad, man. Because basically, yeah, this is the last week we got good price action. Then we're done for about a month. Now, for me to still keep my sleeping pattern and stuff like that, what the hell am I gonna do for a month, bro? If I got the payout on the 50k account, which is about 1,500, it should have been about 2k, but then I took a couple losses. And then I get a payout on the 100k account, depending how much it could be. As long as I got enough to finish building my computer, I can build it. I could start doing like gaming on it and stuff like that, and just start doing a couple gaming live streams or something over the December or something like that, just so I'm awake and, you know, I have a routine there. Because I'm telling you, bro, if I don't have a routine or something to keep me busy, I'm gonna wake up late, go sleep late, and when it comes back to trading in January, guess what? Guess who's not gonna be awake on the charts? You watch, bro. I'm telling you, January, February, I'm gonna have my live streams are gonna either be cancelled or they're gonna be moved because I woke up late. I'm telling you now. Because I'm bad in it. I need routine. If I break routine, I really struggle to fix it, man. Like, I need a clear routine. There was an opportunity to go along here, but tagged the supply zone, not taking the risk on that. Oh, wait a second. Trust me, bro, what is this price action, man? We're on 9:15 now. I'm gonna give it till about 9:30, 9:45. I'm not gonna stay till 10 o'clock because price action's so bad. What are you saying anyway? You have so much respect for you and other traders who trade M1 in these conditions. Oh, you have, yeah, I appreciate it. And I'm better than all of them, and I say it right now on YouTube, unless any of them come here and call me out, and then I'll slap him in the face. But yeah, it's a hard time frame, bro, a very hard time frame, because it's very fast paced, yeah, and there's a lot of like, people call it manipulation, I call it like just price enticing traders in or whatever, because on lower time frame is you versus algorithms, isn't it, really? Yeah, so I think it's a lot more of a difficult time frame, because you get a lot of moves that occur that are quite easily, I suppose manipulation is the best word, but it's like a fake move. It's like enticing traders in to catch you out type thing. So you have to be really patient in determining where is that move occurring, where is it not occurring, why is it occurring, why is it not occurring. Then you need the mental sabr and patience to say to yourself, yeah, that don't look right to me, I'm just gonna sit back and say no. That's it. Just to sit back and say no. People can't do it, they can't. And then to come on YouTube and do it in front of everyone, where people are very critical, aren't they? People are very critical, bro. When I went on Trader Nick's YouTube channel, I think there's like about 800 viewers, yeah, 900 viewers on his channel on the live stream live, yeah. And I was getting slammed hard in the comments, bro. Oh, he trades SMC, he trades ICT, I was like, listen, I don't acknowledge ICT as a real person. He's just a nitty, he's just an idiot. SMC, I've heard of it. I use concepts of supply, demand, price action and stuff like that. If you call it SMC, you call it SMC. I don't even call it that. I just call it making money from the markets, bro. I don't care what strategy it is. Support resistance is some type of, probably some term in SMC or some term in ICT. Or freaking head and shoulders, or like all of it's all linked to each other. All of it is all similar strategies with a different name for it. So I don't really care. And I got slammed so hard in the comments, bro. It's hilarious. And I just thought to myself, yeah, all these people saying you can't trade M1, all these people saying, oh, it's lies and it's bollocks, they're the same ones you don't understand trading. They don't. If any trader says to me, yeah, I trade 4 hour, M1's impossible, it's not possible to trade, I say, listen, you're not good enough to trade it. That's the fact. You're not good enough, bro. You're not on the level yet. You stay on 4 hour, bro. That's good enough for you. I'm not saying to you, I'm saying to traders who say that about M1. Because when you trade M1 and M5, M15, and then you look at 4 hour, you're like, bro, your job is so easy. How do you not make success on a 4 hour chart? How? It's so easy. M1 is the hardest time frame, yeah? And you're struggling on 4 hour. Bro, please quit. Like, yo. Literally, that's all it is. Bro, this is all it is. One of my friends messaging me now talking about they want to get into trading in it. I'm like, listen, bro, please just don't do it, man. They're like, why? I'm like, if most people fail, they're like, oh, are you trying to say I can't do it? Bro, I'm trying to save you from losing money, man. Because majority of people can't do it. They can't. Especially long term anyway. It's like, you know, the tricky thing, yeah, I'm gonna say it to you because you've had 3 payouts now. The tricky thing in trading becomes when you start making money and then you start losing money. So now you started making money, just be careful of your psychology that you might start being egotistical and arrogant and then start over trading, start going against your trading plan, because you might be like, oh, I can't lose because I'm killing it. I've had 3 payouts, I can't lose. You know, I'm gonna win every trade. When you start to feel like that, that's when you're going to start to have severe like issues in your trading, because you're going to realize that the arrogance starts to come in and then you need to hold yourself accountable and stuff like that. And that's where all traders start to see their downfall. So you just make sure in it that you don't get to that point. Because me, I'm fine. Psychologically, I'm a tank. I've had 3-4 payouts, so my mentality is still exactly the same. Still exactly the same. I think yours is gonna show Asia low, bounce, drop down. Looks possible. Oh, gold did end up going up. What's happening here? So it come out. So it come down, took these lows. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, tagged the supply zone. Still a high low because it broke structure there. That zone still holding. All that zone still holding. Come down, took out this channel here. Broke structure there, come down, broke structure there. So the entry was valid from here. I wasn't even looking at the chart, bro. Literally, I wasn't even looking at the chart. Be from this demand zone right here. What was it, SL? Oh, 13 pips. That's not bad. But I wouldn't even have had partials because on gold, I think 100 pips is TP1. So 100's TP1, and then what was TP2? 150 or 250? I think it was 200 or 250. I don't remember. I haven't traded gold in so long. I don't remember what my TP was on data points. So yeah. Oh well. Let's delete all. But UJ is really good, you know. Like, I really like USD yen. It seems to be a really good pair. By give a topic, man, please. I need to drag out something to talk about for the next 15-20 minutes. I think all the guys are on chutti because they can't be asked to trade in it.
UK ONS say average UK house prices increased by 1.7% in the 12 months to October 2025. UK monthly private rents rose by 4.4% to November 2025.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Yeah, price is really lacking volatility at the moment, man. Pound had a lovely move, obviously, off of the back of the CPI data, but it's not done much since then, which is fine. It's just kind of creeped down slowly. Not really giving an entry either. So yeah, let's go on M1 and have a look. You know, oh, he's still here. I thought he left. Oh, I thought he left, lad. I was just sending messages to a mate, innit? Sorry. It's stupid, bro. It's stupid. You know, another thing that makes me angry, yeah? Brother, multi-time frame analysis. What time frame? Weekly, daily, 4 hour, and then looking for a trade on M5. Bro, why are you looking at daily, weekly? 4 hour I can kind of make sense depending on the context of it. But you're trading M5, you need to be looking at 1 hour, 30-minute M5. You know what I mean? For a 4 hour time frame, you want to be looking at weekly, daily. For a 1 hour time frame, you want to be looking at daily, 4 hour. For a M1, you'll be looking at 15 to 1 hour maximum. It's dumb what they say. 1 second, got a message again. Okay, let me read your message, Nani. So, yeah, that was when the trade 15 find it funny. Yeah, that's hilarious, man. I understand for swing traders, but for intraday, it doesn't make sense. Don't get these scammy YouTubers. Yeah, that's literally, I was talking to my friend about that just now. What's the odds? Bro, I swear for intraday, I just don't get why they go through from weekly to daily. Biggest client is Waka. When he trades 5 min, he goes through the daily. Waka, ask him. We trade a similar strategy, yeah? But I'll be honest, I don't think he trades. I think he's getting signals from someone when he's posting them online. Whereas with me, I do live trade, but I'm very, very picky in it. Because me and him have a similar strategy. I went through his course, his application for his course, yeah? And I spoke to one of his senior people in it. I goes, oh, this is how I trade, yeah? They're like, oh, similar to Waka. I was like, oh, okay, cool, yeah, I've seen his videos, hence why I'm here. And then they're like, we can give the course to you for like 7 or 8 grand and you get one-to-one mentorship. I was like, listen, bro, I've only been trading 6 months, yeah? I'm trading the same as Waka, very similar, but I'm better than him. They're like, how? I goes, he gets 1 to 3, 1 to 10. I goes, I got 1 to 8, 1 to 20. So basically, I'm better. He's been trading for 10 years. I've been on the charts for 6 months. And then so I was like, because the guy goes, you're doing really well, bro. For 6 months, you're doing surprisingly well. Most people are where you are now in 2-3 years. I was thinking, okay, so I don't really need the course. I can keep doing what I'm doing now, give myself another year and then probably be even better, which I am now. Like in the last 6 months versus where I was in my first 6 months, I'm like probably 10 times better as a trader. So I said to him, well, it sounds to me like I don't need to pay you $8,000 for potentially Waka to give me one-to-one mentorship where I'm not even sure if he'll actually do that. And then on top of that, why don't I just keep doing what I'm doing, because I'm doing really well anyway. And then I started live streaming and stuff like that. On the live stream, I caught 60R, 40R, 20R, 5R, 6R. Who knows what else, bro? And then a bunch of break evens and a bunch of SLs, but the SLs are always offset by the TPs. Hence, I've had 3 payouts. So it's hilarious, man. You know, like when I first come across him, he was only doing 1 to 3, 1 to 10. I realized straight away the guy's made a mistake. Why is he capping his profitability? As a trader, you want to maximize every opportunity in the market with limiting the downside. So he does 50% at 1 to 3, 50% at 1 to 10. I said that's wrong. I'm going to do 45% at data point TP1, 45% at data point TP2, go break even, roll stop loss to TP1, and then the 10% left I'm going to leave to run for TP3. And mine's data point related. His is R, so he's always capping his R. I'm not capping my R, I'm capping at data points because data points are more reliable than R. His stop loss is between 3 and 7 pips. Mine's between 2 and 4. Because he'll cover two supply zones, I'll cover the one. Because I know if price comes into this supply zone, if I'm looking for shorts, yeah, it shouldn't come to the first supply zone above it if the price is completely balanced. He doesn't look at the balancing of price. He doesn't look at that. Why doesn't he look at the balancing of price? If he looked at the balancing of price, he'll be able to get sharper entry, sharper SL, and with his 1 to 10 or 1 to 3, he'll get better, you know what I mean? But he doesn't do that, and the reason I think he's a scammer is because if you're a trader, you try to maximize your edge, he doesn't maximize his edge, which makes me think he's following signals. He says I live trade all the time, but all he does is post signals. And then when I realized, yeah, I was like, wait a second, he's just posting a trade idea. Nowhere have we seen him analyze price. Nowhere have we seen him say, I'm posting a signal, this is me, I'm looking at the charts, I'm posting a signal in a second. Nowhere have I seen that. I just see a random signal on his X account, yeah? Who's sending him the signal? Now we're realizing, yeah, in his course, there's him and 3 of the people or 4 of the people, yeah? Who of these 3-4 people is the actual trader? Because you know Waka's a marketer. He's marketing, innit? He's salesman, marketing. He's even spoke about that in his YouTube channel. About how since he's been in Dubai, he's done bare masterminds on sales and stuff like that. Okay, wait a second, wasn't his job in history as sales? He even says that in his interview. Learn how to be sales, learn how to do sales. Why? So he can scam people by selling courses. He's literally telling people on YouTube, bro, I did sales, I did sales, I did sales. And me and you both know, sales are the biggest salesmen or the biggest con artists there is. They'll chat absolute bullshit to you, bro, just to get you to buy what they're selling. And you know that's what salesmen do. That's their job. So Waka's there, yeah, saying to everyone, be a salesman. And then like they're wondering why, oh, where's the live trading? Oh, in my ass, bro. In my ass. That's why I say I'm better than Waka any day, because I trade live on YouTube, bro. Yes, obviously he might be catching more trades than me, catching more odd than me overall, but the guy's been trading for 10 years, bro. And comparing me to him, my 1 year versus his 10, I'm way better than like what his comparison is, because he's still the same as where he is. He's not grown as a trader, he's not increased his strategy as a trader. His strategies are very similar. All he's done is change entry model. He's not maximized his entry models to get more or to get more win rate. He sits between 45 and 50% and gets the 1 to 10 max. That's it. He's not going above that. Why would you limit yourself? You're not progressing as a trader. You're not getting more data, growing and stuff like that. It's just bullshit, man. Roger Banks is a scammer as well, I've heard. I don't trust him either. He's a scammer 100%. Peter?
12, 11, 20%.
Oh, ठीक है. जी अम्मा मना घर ना करो ये मैं काम करना प्लीज जो swear down. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, these guys don't scalp at all or talks, same BS, copy paste. Yeah, exactly. All of them do. You know? My friend's a bit depressed now because I'm telling him that trading's hard and stuff like that. And they're like, oh, yeah, I wish I did it, you know, all this stuff because they're from Mexico, innit? Yeah. I was like, listen, bro, there's bare scammers on the internet, yeah? And she was like, oh, yeah, I met this guy on Instagram, or I found this guy on Instagram. He's telling me to like follow this course and do this and do that. I said, look, don't go to anyone on social media if they're doing lifestyle stuff, yeah? And unless they've got like genuine evidence of some form of live trading, some form of regulated broker login with a proof of trading journey, experience and stuff like that. That's why I've got my account in it with the MyFX book with IC markets. You can see the authentic account regulated broker and the success of the account with the trading journey. If you don't get all these things, you can't trust the person. Like Wacko, for example.
2% core year on year.
I'm not trying to sound arrogant, yeah, but 150% in 2 T's, I'll be absolutely annihilating the market because I've done it in 1 year. In the hardest year there is, election year, Trump year, tariff year, has been very difficult, bro. And a lot of the time I just said I'm not going to trade the charts. I'm just going to sit and wait. You know what I mean? And every day I'm becoming a better trader, getting more experience and stuff like that. My patience is becoming more and more and stuff like that. And each day I'm seeing crappy price action. I'm learning what the price action is doing. I'm not just saying, oh, price is crap, ignore it. I'm looking what it's doing. I'm absorbing the data. A lot of people don't even do that. They just say, oh, today's crap, and then they go home. They don't look at what price did, why did they do that, what is the reason for that. This is work. Learn in it. Grow as a person. Learn. They don't do that though. He's back. Oh, welcome back, Mwangi. I thought you were gonna stay like, you know, away type thing, like you were busy. Markets is still quite crappy. As you can see, pound is just very choppy, bro. We've done not much movement, I think. Actually, 23 pip movement is not bad. Saw you online. Yeah. Trading can clickbait newbies into poverty in real life if they fail, for the gurus fall for the. That's what I'm telling my friend, in it basically. So M15 UJ very consolidated right here. You can see that very consolidated. Same with GJ, quite consolidated there. We did have a bit of a move up though. We're doing 30 pips move in about an hour and 45 minutes. Low volume, bro. Very low volume. CHF has done 21 pips in about an hour. But it's not giving a clean entry, bro. It's been invalidation. Like that's the only issue, innit? It's broke structure, tagged the supply zone, dropped down, took a demand zone out, so you couldn't even take an entry even from a demand zone and flew up again. So it's been quite choppy. Price action has. But I'm still trying to sit here and stuff like that and force my discipline, innit?
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone CPI, year-on-year forecast 2.2%, prior 2.2%, month-on-month forecast minus 0.3%, prior 0.2%, core year-on-year forecast 2.4%, prior 2.4%, labor costs year-on-year, prior 3.6%.
Okay, so Euro's doing that, pound's doing that. Very crappy market, to be fair.
go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Come on, people. Come on. Roger Banks, Lambo Rao, Swaggy C, Q Banks. All these people I'm suspicious of. Q Banks are not so much, because I don't know much about Q Banks. I've not really looked at him because I think he does US stocks and indices anyway, so I've not really paid attention to Q. But Lambo 100% scammer, Mamba scammer, Swaggy scammer, Yerimi scammer, Wako scammer, Riz the king of scammers. One sec. Go off him.
Hi, can I speak to I'm Bashy, please?
Sorry, who's calling? Here's another scammer.
This is Gordon from the VCP Experts. How are you doing today? You good, yeah?
He's from India. Who's the king? King of what? King of what is the question. Oh, king of scammers, bloody hell. Don Vo's another one. You got that other guy, the American guy, who says own when we got the neckline of the head and shoulders and it breaks own. You got that guy. He's got like 1 point. ICT is the biggest scammer. ICT.
Year on year.
I think ICT is the biggest scammer. I think he's the king. I would say he's the king.
Two spot 1%, 2 spot 1%, lower than forecast, 2 spot 2%.
That's my uncle Rajesh.
Minus 0 spot 3% as expected.
Bloody Rajesh from Calcutta.
3 spot 3%,
Oh wait,
3
news.
spot 3%. Core year on year, 2 spot 4%, 2 spot 4% as expected.
Okay, so year on year CPI come at 2.1, so slightly softer, which is good because they're getting to that 2% rate now pretty much. And then year on year come out as forecasted. Eurozone CPI core year on year come out as forecasted. That's okay. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad at all. Can work with that. Unko Rajesh in the building. Number 1 ICT. Okay, let's do top 5. Let's do top 10 list then. Yeah, so number 1 ICT. Number 2, damn, Lambo Rao. Number 3, Swaggy C. Number 4, Donvo. Number 5, who else is there? There's more people. Oh yeah, I'll count Wako and Yurimi together because they're basically best friends. And the Spanish guy that's with them, Alex Garcia, the Spanish guy, so them 3. Words of Wisdom, he doesn't even trade. He just does podcasts for all the scammers, and now he's getting reputable people on there. Now he's built a name for himself, but it's too late because you supported the scammers in the first place, so I already view you as a dishonorable person. Yeah, they're gonna kidnap you and teach you how to make millions for no reason.
S&P Global Ratings say US defaults fell to a 9-month low in November.
Samolian Purate. What? What? I didn't even understand that. Do you want to say that again, please? I didn't understand. So he's not Somali. I think he's Yemeni. But either way, yeah, I hate the guy. I was in his Discord, yeah, basically, and when I was in his Discord, yeah, there was a YouTuber whose name is Andre something, yeah, and all he does is make videos on scammers and exposes people so that they don't get scammed. So I appreciate what the guy is doing because I got scammed before, innit? Oh, Switzy, he's the chut that scammed me. Switzy, him, he's an absolute cock juggling thundercunt. Yeah, cock juggling thundercunt. He's an idiot, Switzy. Hello, Switzy, guys, it's me, Switzy. We can make all the money if you join with me today. We can make the money. Today I make $500,000. I short GBPUSD. He's done 500 lots on 4-pip move. Oh, short talk, man. Absolute scammer. So yeah, them lot idiots as well, bro. But you know what there is? They do the I'm trying to be on Deen, I'm trying to be a Muslim and stuff like that. I'm trying to do this and that. Yeah, next second, all the idiots from London, yeah, 13, 14, 16, 20-year-old idiots, they all start like bumming him as if he's their wife, innit? Stupid, man. Absolutely stupid. And then, you know, the traders that do make success, yeah, they do it by developing his basic strategy and then backtesting it to learn more. So it's not even what he's teaching you, it's more the case of what you're learning yourself, and then they give him thanks for it. Not really. You can go on YouTube and learn market structure, importance of time, lower time frame from, you know, that black guy from London, Sully Trades or FX Sully or something like that. You can go to all these M1 YouTubers, find the general concept, and then just go backtest what you find from there and done. Same shit, different time. Yeah, exactly. None of these lot do live trading or anything. Anyway, yeah. So Urimi, the guy made a video on Urimi, yeah, saying that I don't think he's legit because he doesn't do live trading, doesn't do live broker login, he doesn't do blah 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 blah. And Urimi put in his Discord, yeah, oh look, this guy's made a video about me, go comment in it, yeah. He knows his majority of his audience is 20-year-olds and 16-year-olds from London who are ex-gangsters and sell drugs and stuff like that, yeah. The guy's black, the YouTuber. So they all go on his channel calling him an N-word, calling him all sorts of abuse and stuff like that. I commented in the Discord saying, yo, Urimi, bro, what you doing, man? I goes like, have you no shame? I goes, look what type of behavior you're encouraging Muslims to do, man. I goes, you know the age of the people. I said to him, just tell them to leave a good comment if you believe it's true, but do not be abusive or hateful or racist, yeah? And then you go to the guy's YouTube video, I know the Muslim, bro, calling him an N-word, calling him everything. I was like, felt so ashamed, bro. I felt so ashamed to be Muslim and part of his community. So I sent him a message on Discord directly because he ignored my one in the Discord chat. Sent him directly. He brought me on Discord and he kicked me out of the group. All I did was, and you know the funny thing, the people I thought were my friends in the Discord, yeah, they were bumming Urimi. And they said, we don't care what he says, we don't care what he says, he makes money. I goes, okay, so you're basically accepting, yeah, you don't give a shit about your Iman, you don't give a fuck about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, yeah, you care about money. Okay, that's fine, don't say assalamu alaikum to me, don't come to me for help, screw you, like, you sit with Urimi, you are part of him, you're literally the people that he wants. So then after I left, yeah, the 2-3 friends, because I used a different account today. I used a different account. I didn't use my main account. So my friends who were attacking me in that thought I was a different person, yeah? And then I seen their true face. Now, a few of them, like 6 months later, about 4 months ago, 2 of them reached out to me on Discord, yeah? Saying, oh yeah, you know, we left his Discord and stuff like that. You know, we made our own and stuff. You know, you're doing good in psychology. Could you give like a psychology lesson? I said, nah, bro, I'm not talking to you guys. I said, don't talk to me, bro. I don't want to talk to you guys, don't talk to me. They're like, why? I told them, I goes, look, I was that person who stood up for justice and against racism, against my own brothers and sisters, yeah? And Islam even said in one verse, But you know, the Quran said in one verse, yeah, even if there's an injustice on yourself, hold yourself account of justice. Meaning, even if it's like an injustice that you're doing, you have to hold yourself accountable and say, look, I've done this thing wrong. You have to hold yourself to account. So when I said that to them, then they got all like Aussie and stuff like that. And I said, oh, why did you leave your Emi's Discord for? What happened? Why'd you leave? You know what I mean? So that's when I realized, bro, like, I was ashamed of them, like really ashamed of them. Some of them have got payouts and stuff like that, yeah. Some of them are doing okay, but ultimately I don't care, because to me, bro, it doesn't matter if you're making money and stuff like that, yeah. If you've got no respect or anything like that, nah, bro, you're the same as the scammers, bro. You only care about money. A person who cares about money, can you trust him? Of course you can't. I'll admit I'm not a good Muslim, but these trading clowns claim to be the Imam of the mosque. I swear down. You know what? I'm not gonna say much about Islam because at the moment I'm quite angry with the idea of it. I can't lie, bro. But that's more relating to Gaza and stuff like that. Respect, bro. I'm Jehovah's Witness, but I like how you move, bro. Like, share, subscribe. You know what? 2 of my friends are Jehovah's Witness, and out of all of the people of Christian belief, you guys are by far the most closest to Christ. And you guys are the most closest to actually following the belief of Christ and stuff like that. Even though, because I used to debate with Christians and I used to debate with atheists on an Islamic standpoint, so I used to debate with them. And the Christians are lost. They've got no brain. But the Jehovah's Witness are the ones who are logical, sensical. They even tried to prove that that the Bible is corrupted and stuff like that to bring back the original Bible. That's the Bible that we believe as Muslims. We Muslims believe in the gospel of Jesus, and Jehovah's Witnesses are trying to bring back the gospel of Jesus, and they're trying to get rid of all the Paul, Mark, Luke, Matthew, James, Richard, David, freaking all these random people. They're trying to bring back the original Bible. So I got respect for Jehovah's Witness, man. Yeah, I told you I used to debate with them and stuff like that about the morality of Islam versus the morality of Christianity. I debated with Catholics, Protestants. I've debated with Greek Orthodox and stuff like that. And I've only debated with 2 Jehovah's Witnesses because it's hard to come across them. Unfortunately, you're not a big group. Snakes in the grass, fam. Yeah, a lot of snakes in the grass. Elliot Trace, I appreciate the subscribe. There was no need for you to do that. There's no need for you to do that because I don't want a big subscriber base. I just want a small group of people who really want to learn how to trade. That's it. Not like 50,000 subscribers and 10,000 viewers and everyone's scamming everyone. I'm not interested in that. Sorry, sending a message to my friend. Yeah, but now I don't really debate and stuff like that because it's hard to debate why Islam is better when you struggle to have faith in Islam and stuff like that. But that's quite personal and stuff. Anyway, I shouldn't have said that. Ignore what I just said. Bloody yeah, GJ is so bad. The price action is so choppy today, man. Alright guys, have you guys got any questions, anything else you want to talk about? Because my time window is done, 10:15's here, so no chance I can trade now. But if you guys want to chill and talk, I don't mind. Bro, don't ask me, man. I'm probably the worst person to ask right now because I have a lot of anger towards Islam at the moment, bro. So I'm probably the worst person to ask. Like, I have a lot of anger. It comes from the place of justice, though. So, like, it's understandable, but it's so hard to... I don't know, man. It's a bloody tough topic, unless you guys want to get into religious like discussions and stuff like that. If you want to, then I just want to say something clearly. If you have a religious debate or whatever like that, or religious discussion, whatever anyone says, don't judge them for it, because you don't know what that person's going through in their life, whether they're Christian, atheist, Muslim or not. Because a lot of people are very judgmental, bro, and they'll be like, oh, you're not like this, you're wrong, bro. You don't know what that person's going through. They might have mental health issues, they might have, you know, been heartbroken or gone through grievances and stuff like that. So when you have discussions on like faith and stuff, you need to have understanding and patience. But a lot of people can't do it, bro. 95% of people can't do it. They're like, oh, I view this thing in this way, therefore you must be like that. Oh my god, I realized I'm a hypocrite just now. Oh my god, I just realized I'm a hypocrite. Oh my god, I just realized I'm a hypocrite by saying that. Hey? Basically, I have a bit of hypocrisy in saying that. I can explain. I think one of the things, yeah, is living in the West. I think the West is poisonous, bro. I think the West is so poisonous. Yeah, so basically, you know, one thing shook me really bad, yeah, about a few days ago. I've got a lot of English friends, yeah, because I don't really have any Muslim friends in it, because of my hobbies of trading and cars and racing and stuff like that. All the Muslims I do are drug dealers, so I don't want to be associated with them. And for me, they're not Muslim anyway, because you can't say you believe in God and then start selling drugs and stuff like that. I just don't see how that works. So I think the West. So basically, I come across one of my English mates. He's a bit of a manho, yeah. And we were talking about intimacy and stuff like that. And he told me about a website, yeah. And he showed me the website. It's basically a hookup website purely for intimate relations, yeah. The amount of Muslim women who are hijabis, who are married on that website, seeking intimate relations with a non-believer, demanding they have well-endowed equipment whilst their husband's away. I was absolutely diabolically shocked and I felt heartbroken by that. Because women are the modesty of that religion. Like, your women are like your modesty, you know what I'm trying to say? So now seeing that, I was like, yo, this country's mad. UK is twisted, bro. And then you think from the other side of perspective, yeah, the husband is being betrayed by his wife, yeah, and we all know as men, a woman cheating on you versus a man cheating on you is completely different from the whole violation perspective, yeah. So you imagine that guy got kids with this person, yeah. We don't know what's going on in the marriage, if he's happy or not, but he's committed to the marriage because he's still working and stuff like that, paying for everything and stuff like that, yeah. And it turns out your wife, yeah, is basically cheating on you with David from down the road or whatever. Like, yo, that's insane. And it's not even one person, it's like numerous people. When I seen that, I didn't even ask him if he slept with any Muslim women on that site, because he probably did, and I couldn't stomach asking him. I couldn't stomach it, because if he said yeah, I'd probably just been like too ashamed, if that makes sense. Too ashamed, bro. So that for me is a big thing. Second is seeing feminism rise in Islam. Feminism has no place in religious belief, only the text does, yeah. But you know, it's where you live, in it. It's where you live. If you live in a Muslim society, these things won't be happening, because one, it's not so easy for you to access all these things, yeah. And two, these things become normal in the West, bro. It's normal. Like, these things are normalized. OnlyFans is normalized and stuff like this, yeah. So naturally, it's going to be normalized that marriage is no longer normal. Marriage is now abnormal. Whether you're Muslim or not, you're living in a country where that's the case. Living in a society where that's the case. Now, religion is a belief. We don't follow the belief, we follow the concept. There's one God and you have to pray to him, that's it. We follow the concept. We don't follow the belief. Our culture should only be culture tied with Islam fully and entirely, right? It's like you look at Christianity. People are committed, you know, all that stuff, yeah? Same with Islam, same with whatever belief you want to talk about, whatever, yeah? Like, one to Abrahamic beliefs, yeah? A lot of it stemmed from holding yourself, controlling your desires and stuff like that. It's crazy, bro. The West is messed up so many things. Don't get me wrong, I've done stupid stuff as well, yeah, living in the West, but all I can say is I'm a kid living in this society. Now I've realized, if I get married, I do not want to get married to someone from the West. That's a bad idea. I don't want to get married to a revert. I kind of hate reverts. A bit of an aggressive thing to say, but it is what it is. It has to be someone who's of the faith, comes from a religious family, and they choose to be part of that belief. So when I marry the person, I can talk to him about all the crazy things in the West and say, look, yeah, that's the West. If you want that, don't marry me, because I'm not about that. I'm trying to get away from that and focus on someone who's a bit more religious and stuff like that. But at the same time, I still want fun. So I don't want it to be like so religious that we can't go on holidays and, you know, go theme parks and stuff like that. Like, I still want to have some sense of like dunya, in the sense of just enjoyment, but the main cause has to be akhirah. That's what I want in it. All I ever wanted was a Latina. Times have changed. Yeah, but they're not really Muslim, innit? Anyways, appreciate the convo. Much respect to you. I'm gonna go step into coma. See you next time. If not, happy New Year in advance. Yeah, I'm still gonna stream the rest of the week, obviously, but after this week, I think I'm gonna be done. So if, as I said, if I can catch one TP and get this computer built, I'm building it over Christmas. I'm gonna live stream gaming over Christmas. If I can't, I'm poor. Please send donations for this computer. That's all. But yeah, thanks for your time anyway, Sahad. I'll leave you to it, bro. If there's nothing from anyone else, then I might as well put the stream here. I might as well drop the links in the chat. And then we will be done. So yeah, you've had 3 payouts, bro. Big payouts. Send donations, man. Thank you. I'm joking, by the way. Right then, I'll leave you guys too if there's nothing else to say. I'm still gonna look for a trade in New York. If I can get anything to occur in New York, I'm still gonna look. But for now, I don't see anything else happening, in all honesty. So yeah. Right then, peace out everyone. Take it easy. See you later. Bye bye.